Hello.
Hi guys.
My name is Tatiana.
My name is Angel.
And we're the Makers HQ. Okay, so today we're doing a multi-layered video, but it's Angel's video, so I will let him talk about it.
Here we go. So today we're gonna use two different, like the layers.
Well, it's three different layers, two companies.
Exactly, two companies, three different HTVs.
Yes.
Right. So the first one is gonna be from Cricut. Everyday iron on.
Yes.
I don't know if it's focusing. Thank you. The second one, the second layer is gonna be the Siser Easy Width HTV.
Yes.
The same one, like regular HTV. Thank you. And the third one, final, it was gonna be Cricut foil.
Yes.
Iron on. That's how they call it, right?
Yes.
Foil iron. Yes, this one, which is very nice. Look at the color.
Super pretty.
Super nice. It's like a mirror.
Yes. And this is just a side note. What is it a side note because it's part of the video? But we went to Michael's and to look at some HTV in person because we've been living in Argentina for a while, so we've never really had access to like all the things in North America. And so we were like, whoa.
It was mind-blowing.
But then I was also like, why is it that each company has its own same thing? Like we could have gotten this from Siser, we could have gotten it from Make, we could have gotten it from like so many different things. At the end, we got it for Cricut, I believe, because of the pricing, because we know Cricut. Yeah. But like, there's nothing really that differentiates many of them, except Siser. A lot of times is a little bit more expentive because it usually also has more. Like it comes in 36 inch. Yeah.
But even though we this is a future video, we tested the Make brand.
Yes.
We tested the puff vinyl, but that's for another occasion.
That's for another occasion.
Yeah.
All right. So that's it.
They can do the same, but they don't do the same.
No, exactly.
So
let's just jump to the video.
Exactly. Yeah. No more talking.
That's
it. Okay. So this is the shirt or hoodie or whatever this is that we're gonna use. This is not new. I want to what was the word for it?
Upcycle it.
I've had it for many years, this thing, right? And it's old, but I never wore it like the way I should have because it didn't fit me very well. So, but doesn't take the fact that it's old. It's from like 15 years ago. So, but it's nice. Look, it has I guess they use vinyl on this. Yeah, they use vinyl. So I want to do my design on its back like this. Right here, not on top of the other vinyl. So that's what we're gonna use today. Never forget this.
Or if you don't have it,
we bought one. We're not using masking tape anymore.
For now.
Like this, yeah. For now. Okay, so you clean it very nicely like this. Especially if you have a pet, you must clean this. I want this very clean because my design is not like a picture. It has like this. Okay. So it's gonna be 3 layers. First, the red vinyl, the black vinyl, and the silver vinyl. So the first one.
Oh wait. Explain why you chose this order.
I chose this order because I want to layer the vinyls, and I feel like coming from the first layer,
yes,
then the temperature is also the highest temperature.
Exactly,
and then the second one is the following temperature, which is the closest to the highest, and then the last one is the
yes,
lowest.
I agree.
There is not so much difference between temperature. So this one is the first one is the Cricut, right? And it's gonna be, we're gonna put it right here in the middle.
I would preheat your garment for a few seconds.
Oh yes, that's true. That's true. That's true. Okay, a few seconds, and then we're gonna put the. So we said the first one is the red vinyl, right? It's from the Cricut brand. We're gonna put it right here. That's good. Okay, so this one is gonna go for 315 seconds for 315 seconds. 315 Fahrenheit for 30 seconds.
Yes.
I'm sorry. So like this.
And you will not see your machine with the timer because when we purchase,
the timer broke. This is the timer, and it's always at 40. I mean, we can change the timer, but it doesn't work. It doesn't go down. So we use the phone to see the time.
Good old fashioned.
So let me close it. So here we go.
30 seconds. Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
So 30 seconds, and that's it. That was the phone. Here. Oh, so the Cricut vinyl says that you need to peel it cool to touch, right? So what we're gonna do, what they recommend, or other companies also recommend, is like you take it out of the machine and you put it on your table or on the anywhere you want, facing down, so it cools down faster, like this, right? Okay, so we think that it's ready. I'm gonna peel it off like this, right? Easily, happily. Remove my hand so you can see. Let's do.
Yeah, bring it closer.
Let's do the right thing. Here, so you can see it.
And are you holding it? I shall help.
It looks like everything is gonna come off, but it's hard. It feels hard, but it's not. Oh, very nice. So like this.
The design begins.
Very nice. Yes.
The Canadian league.
Now we're here, so you know. In New York was New York, in Argentina is Argentina. We do designs here. Yes. As we
Canadian thing. Yes. Right now.
It's just that I like the word Montreal, so I'd be putting it on everything. Okay, so
so now we have to decrease.
Yes, now we're gonna decrease the temperature to 305. So next is this. Is the outline. So this is the design basically, so you understand what's happening. We're gonna do this design, right? This is the outline first, like this, and inside the outline, we're gonna put this with the silver, the foil vinyl. So that's why it's like layering vinyls. So this one is gonna go here. Perfect.
We're good?
Yes.
Ah, that's great.
Yes. So
that's at 305 for 15 seconds.
Yes.
Did you want to cover it?
Yes. You see. And this is Cricut. No, this is Siser. So Siser, you can peel Siser. This says hot or cold. So I'm gonna peel it hot, obviously, because I wanna see the results. So here we go. 15 seconds has passed, and here we go. So I'm peeling this. I don't even want to take it out of the machine. Oh, it's so nice.
It's lovely.
Wow, you can see it even if it's black on black.
You can still see the texture.
Still see it. Yeah. It's
especially
so cool.
that it goes through the leaf.
It's super nice. Yeah, there's the NT and R. Look how it does the line here. Great. Awesome. So technically, you could just wear this t-shirt like this.
Yeah, you could.
Like, let me show you way. Like this. You could just wear it like this, right? It says Montreal.
It says Montreal for people who are not from here, but for people who are from here. I was so excited to say this that I searched this. Okay, it says Montreal for people who are not from here, but for people who are from here, such as myself, actually says Montreal.
Yes, it's two words like this.
That's how we say it.
So the next one, again, we're gonna change the temperature to 295. So here, let's see if this one fits in here. Yes.
Does it fit?
Perfect. Yes.
Oh, lovely.
Let me see. Yeah, it is inside, right?
Yeah, it looks it. The thing I like about the vinyl is that it has that little glue on it, so
yes,
it helps.
it sticks. Yeah, so it doesn't like
Yeah.
go crazy. Okay, so this one is the everyday foil. We're gonna go for 295 temperature, right? Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. Oh yes, I should cover it.
You know, I don't think that it's necessary to always cover, but I think it just, first of all, to protect the machine,
Yeah.
and also just to be on the safe side, because some say cover and some say don't,
Yes,
or like don't bother covering it, but who wants to mess up their machine?
exactly. So like this. So we should see you in 30 seconds. Okay, so this one we're gonna have to wait because it's Cricut, and they ask you to remove it cold to touch. So I'm gonna take it out of the machine, put it on the table. See you soon. Okay, so it's cool now, and it's time to peel it. So let's see. I'm so excited. Oof. Oof.
You know, the only thing I can say about vinyl, it always feels like it's not gonna come off. It's like it's gonna stick to the carrier.
Yes, it's just like I'm dragging it.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful.
Yeah,
so nice.
And it's very satisfying to get.
Wow. Look at this. It's super cool. Let me show you guys. Look. Whoosh. What a nice design you made, guys. Very nice. Next time I can use the puff vinyl inside. And I can see the outline. You can see the outline.
Yeah, you can see it. Especially here.
I know.
That was a good idea to put it there. And look, I don't know if you can see that there's tiny,
two tiny, like I don't know what they are. Like,
we'll call them horns.
Yeah,
so we'll call them
it's an
antennas.
Evil, it's an evil M. I don't know what's happening, but it's super nice. It's cool. Okay, let's go to the main studio to say goodbye. Okay.
Speak.
Okay. Okay, we're back. We did the t-shirt, the vinyls. We love the results. I already show you, but I'm gonna show you again. Here, look, it looks so nice. I really like this design because I've done this design before, but not like this. Now with the red leaf, I did this one as a test because I wanted to see. So I did it on red, black, and silver. It's super nice. I love the foil vinyl. Highly recommend it.
And Angel doesn't know this because we just moved here, but I'm originally from here.
It's a hockey team. It looks like a hockey team.
Like the Montreal Canadiens, if any of you are hockey fans. So I was like,
but it just is, yeah.
Fit right in.
Visually, it's so like, like everything else, right?
Yeah.
But you know.
But with the foil, which is
with the foil, yes,
freaking cool.
Yes.
And me, so I have this thing, this project, which is my atelier or my studio apron, and so I've been just adding a bunch of things on it. Okay, that's related to every vinyl we're doing, and this is the foil vinyl on it.
The tiny alien.
Yes, my tiny it's alien, so cute. And I love it. And then I also put "Hey There, Gorgeous" with the vinyl, which is so cute. But what I realized with the letters for "Hey There, Gorgeous" is that they were too thin, and so from next time, either the letters will be bigger or
bolder.
So that was my project, and I was very happy.
It looks awesome, and
You must have an alien
you're
on
gonna
there,
keep
so-
adding.
Yes, I'm gonna keep adding every time we try new things. I'm gonna keep adding, and by the end of whenever we finish this, I probably within the next few months, it's gonna be completely full of like sayings and drawings and stickers.
That's
and things like
nice.
that. So I'm
Looks
very happy.
beautiful.
I shall continue to show you guys as we learn more vinyl stuff.
Every vinyl is gonna be on your
Yes,
apron.
basically.
That's nice.
I'm very satisfied. So I think that's it.
That's it for today.
Yeah.
It was simple, nice, satisfying when
Yes.
the results are good. Very
Yes.
satisfying.
Yes.
And
That's it.
that's it. Nothing else.
And as always, we want to thank all of you for following us. And if you've been here before, thank you for coming back. And if you're new, thank you for stopping by. And if this video brought you any value at all,
Please
please
like and subscribe.
yes. And we will see you next week with a new tutorial and more tips and more things that we're more things that we're testing. All right. I was trying to be poetic and
That's
it just didn't work.
Let's go.
Bye.